Meet the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. The first ever all Google phone, built completely different to learn and adapt to you in so many ways. At its heart, the revolutionary Google Tensor, Google's first chip, and a processor capable of powering a new kind of smartphone. With an adaptive battery, intuitive enough to know where you need power and send it there. And it lasts beyond 24 hours, so you can get juice all adventure long. On the Pixel 6, Material You makes you the design inspiration, with custom color palettes drawn directly from your photos, so your home screen finally feels like home. It all works the way you want it to. You choose when apps can access your camera and mic, and turn them off whenever you want. At a glance is everything you need right when you need it. Put your Pixel Buds in and drop into a recommended playlist. Start running and it tracks your time. Go to the airport and your boarding pass goes with you. No matter where you're traveling, Live Translate will be there for you. It's the world's most fluent phone and can translate your messages as you type. It works in pictures too. And spoken aloud. All without internet. The Pixel 6 was built to respect darker skin tones by photographing them exactly as they look, authentically and beautifully, making it the most inclusive camera on a smartphone. Face Unblur makes photos crisp and clear. Motion Mode creates silky smooth long exposure shots. Ultra-wide selfies make room for your whole crew, while Magic Eraser makes distractions disappear. It's like a photo studio and a phone. That's better. And with up to 20 times super res zoom on the Pixel 6 Pro, you can get close, like real close. The Pixel 6 is highest rated for security, so your digital life is covered. And Security Hub puts all of your security settings in one place, so your stuff stays your stuff. Built with Google Tensor, personalized by you. Only on the first ever all Google phone, Pixel 6, for all you are.